Diamond Ground Products is the tungsten electrode expert with over 20 years experience in designing and manufacturing quality products for the welding industry. Introducing the Piranha 2 Tungsten Electrode Grinder, a dedicated tool for your welders with all the features to correctly diamond grind, cut, and flat your tungsten electrodes quickly and economically. The features of this rugged little grinder: compact and durable. Angle scale offers a wide range of included angles for setup and repeatability. Electrode guide accommodates 3 electrode sizes. Electrode notching station for simple, safe cutoff. Enclosed grinding area captures tungsten dust for easy disposal. 20 RE surface finish improves tungsten life, arc starting, arc stability, and produces consistent weld penetration. Longitudinally diamond grind your tungsten electrode in less than 30 seconds correctly and consistently. Step 1. Notch and cut your electrode to the required length. Step 2. Flat your electrode. Step 3. Set angle scale to the required angle. Step 4. Grind your electrode quickly and easily. Diamond Ground Products offer a full line of premium tungsten electrodes in stock for immediate delivery. We are committed to providing our customers with the highest quality tungsten at the lowest price. Diamond Ground Products also produces CNC prepared pre-ground electrodes made to your exact specifications. Our economically priced pre-ground and reground electrodes are ideal for automatic TIG welding, plasma welding, and orbital welding. Keep your welders more productive with Diamond Ground Products.